Hello my lovelies. Butter chicken is a recipe that my brother has been requesting for weeks, and since we don't live close by, there's no way that I can make it for him. So a step-by-step recipe was necessary. I love this recipe because it's so simple and great for curry night. So let's begin by marinating some chicken. You're going to need half a cup of thick yogurt. To that you want to add 2 tablespoons of tandoori chicken masala. I use CHURN, but you can use whatever's handy. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. You just want to mix this well, and then add 500 grams of chicken breasts that have been cut into 1-inch cubes. If you have chicken thighs, then that's even better. Mix this well and leave it to marinate for around 12 hours. If you are short on time, you can marinate it for 6 and it will turn out just as delicious. Once the chicken is marinated and you are ready to cook, then place 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot and add 1 ground onion. You want to saute this for around 1 minute until fragrant, but not burnt. You don't want to give any color to the onion. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and minced ginger each. Again, you just want to saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes. You just want them to be fragrant, but you don't want to give any color to either the garlic or the ginger. Next, you want to add 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. If you can't handle the heat, then omit the chili powder because the marinade itself is going to be quite spicy. You just want to saute the masalas for around 2 to 3 minutes to cook them through. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now you want to add 400 grams or 2 cups of crushed fresh tomatoes. You can use tinned if you wish, but I prefer the flavor of fresh tomatoes. Mix this well and cook it on a medium heat for around 5 to 10 minutes until it is dried and the oil separates from the tomatoes. It will end up looking something like this. Switch off the heat and set it aside to cool. Next, you want to heat a frying pan on a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is really hot, add the chicken and all the marinade and fry this for around 5 to 6 minutes until well browned. Now you can add the chicken to the sauce and mix it through. It actually looks so good and my kitchen smells so amazing. Now I'm going to add half a cup of heavy cream and mix it through, and half a teaspoon of garam masala for more earthy flavor. Just give it a quick mix. It will look something like this. At this point, add 1 tablespoon of butter, cover it and cook it on a low heat for around 3 to 4 minutes longer, and it's ready. Remove it from the heat, top it with coriander and extra cream, serve it with naan or boiled rice. I chose both. And this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye.